Hello, in this video I am going to show you another constant. It's going to be using the assign command. So this can be used if you want to have a constant that stores a value. This sort of constant is actually pretty unique because it can be overwritten, but you can't, you know, assign a value to it. You can redefine it, so you can redefine it, but you can't just move a value into it, so it's still technically a constant to do this. So all we've got so far is it just prints out 0 this many times, and obviously we need the length here. We're going to make that a constant. So if I put you put percent assign. You can put this anyway, it doesn't have to be here, and we're going to use it later on as well, in our code. And I'm gonna say num of zeros, and then you put the value that you want this constant to have. So I'm gonna say 4, so you can see that's the difference here. And now that's it. So we just need to replace. So if we copy that, replace 5 with number zeros, and if we run it now, we get 4 because that's what it is. And if we replace this with 10, for example, we would get 10 zeros. I'm going to change it back to 4. It's going to be easier to count it in a second. So in terms of redefining it, you just literally do this line again, but assign a different value. It wouldn't really be much, it wouldn't be useful if we just reassigned it here, redefine this. So let's redefine it down here. So if I do percent assign, I'm going to paste it here instead of typing that out, and I'm going to assign the value of 2 now. And what I'm going to do is copy all of this. And now, what you will see is that we get a total of 6, because we have 4 zeros from the initial constant, but then it gets redefined as 2, so it just prints 2 zeros then. So that's the assign command for creating constants. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.